Jacqueline. I'm trying to
What's up?
help me? Oh my god.
Cheese bag.
Is that a video?
No. Hold it. You have to open the cheese bag. Did you use the scissors?
This is Jacqueline trying to open my cheese bag. No, don't rip it.
Yeah, I
California.
Yeah,
Just a little bit higher, baby. California pants.
You got one bounce in California, bitch.
My fucking god, are you trying to like chop my fingers off? Oh my god, sorry god, I did not mean to curse and say your name in the same sentence. I'm very sorry. She made me do it, I swear.
I can't get it open, Mira. What'd you do to it?
My god, loser.
She made the fucking bag.
Give me the camera.
No, look what I did. Look, it's open.
Scream.